Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Today I have unboxing. Normally I don't do any unboxings anymore, but this is a bike light and I liked it so much I wanted to share with you guys. And what you see here is another project, and this is actually a very deep red, but my camera picks it up as orange somehow. So anyway, I ordered this from AliExpress. I paid for it, so it's nothing sponsored. And well, without further ado, let me unpack this. That's what's in the box. Here's a manual. You can pause and read it if you like. Oh, let me put it a little closer. And hopefully in focus. Okay, here we go. And this is the back with the data of it. You can see the size, weight, lumens, and battery capacity. So this is the light. You get a Type-C charging cable. Type-C, mind you, very good. And here, I'll leave the best for the rest. For the last. Here you have the mounting bracket, which is made of aluminum. Mind you, it has a, how you call that? I forgot now. It doesn't come to my mind. Hinge. So you can unscrew it and put it over your handlebar. Long screw, and you can see it's a very nice anodized aluminum. Very high quality. I'm really surprised about this light. And here's a insert, and here you have a thinner insert, so for your, depending on your handlebar. Doesn't say how many millimeters for the handlebars. No, it does not. So anyway, I will make a mounting video and show it at night as well, but this is right now just the unboxing. And then here you have a very nice silicone. It's not plastic, it's not rubber, it's silicone for the inside of the adapter, whatever you want to call it, so it won't slide around. So these are the parts. Again, this is anodized aluminum, not plastic. And on the bottom here you see the mounting for the light. Let me show you that also real quick. Sorry. So you have this profile here, and then you can slide it in here like so, and then you tighten it, and it's fast. Yeah, it's very strong. It's not gonna go anywhere. Plus, as you can see, there is a round stopper here, and that goes inside of this where it's lower, so it just fits in there and it sits tight. It's not going to go anywhere. So this is really a very strong mounting solution. I have seen way more worse. So here you have your on-off button and your charging port. US Type-C, of course, very good. And the sides of them are screwed down, so worst case you can take this apart if you need to for any repairs, or if one day the battery dies. I was gonna look at here for... Okay, now first I turned it on, and I instinct also you have here 4 charging LEDs, or LEDs that show the charging. And to turn it on, well, I keep the best for last again. You push the button and you have 2 lights Push it again, you have a single in the middle. Push it again, you have full light, and it's very, very bright. I mean, this daylight here, and this is extremely bright. I'm not even showing full in the camera. And then you have a blinking, and then you're off. And I try to watch videos about this light and read reviews and look at pictures, but none of it prepared me for this. I thought the LEDs were in the back and the reflectors are just like that, and I thought it's gonna blind oncoming traffic. But look at this. So I'm holding it upside down now. The LED lights are actually on the top and shining down to the reflector, and you can see the reflector, how it's like this shape, and that way it's not blinding people. And it's really amazing, and it's very, very bright. 900 lumens, and I believe it. And now comes the nice part, which nobody mentioned, nobody saw it or showed it. Look at this. It has a daylight running light. How cool is that? How cool is that? I mean, it's just awesome. This is just awesome. I wish it would be slightly smaller. I would use it as a flashlight. Anyway, and then you can push again, and then you have again the two outside reflectors, the one in the middle, full, blinking, and off. And to turn off, on and off the LED, the daylight running light, you press and hold to turn that on and off. So this thing, I know some people might not even give a damn, don't care, but I do. I mean, they could make this light without it and it would be as good, but with it, it's just awesome. Excuse me. Here's a cover. I'm not gonna take it off, I'm just gonna leave it there. And it's also aluminum, metal, and okay, the end parts are plastic because they have this I have one in the camera, yeah, they have this from the press, but still they're very, very solid. And here is a warning, it says hot, upside down. And also, actually, these reflectors are different. The one in the middle is different, and the two outsides are the same, but different than the middle one. So you have like a high beam and low beam. And very, very nice. Very, very nice. And I love the daylight running light. That is just awesome. So anyway, I might add it to this video or make two separate videos for installing on the bike and showing it at night, how much it lights up the road. And yeah, I'll make it two parts. And if you want to see the second part, and if you do not want to miss it, you might consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell. Also, if you're interested in what I will do with this LED light, which looks awfully orange on camera, but it's just a beautiful deep red in real life. Anyway, if you want to see it, the second part, the other part, please do subscribe. And if you like the video, hit the like button. It helps, supposedly. I know it does not help me much, but I guess every little bit counts. And if you want to support me, you can buy something in my Tindy store, or buy me a coffee through PayPal, or even maybe become a Patreon. I would like to get more than 5 people. So, and the other things here, this is my LED police light, NeoPixel police light. This is my H.E.D.S clock. This is the single one, and if you're interested in those, I also have another one, bigger one, just set off camera. And if you want to know about those, you can leave a comment below the video and I will get back to you. So anyway, this was the Offbondage, what a name, lighting the way. But I like the quality of it, and I mean, it's just amazing. And it's waterproof. I read that somewhere. Does it say it here anywhere else? It is waterproof. Here you can see the lumens and the running time again, if you missed it in the beginning. And yeah, not much here. Well, all the data. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I see you possibly on the next one. Take care.